My name is Stephan Skeepers. I'm the owner and staff manager of Sirs Boeran. Sirs Boeran were established in 2015. The name Sirs derives from the first name initials of myself, Stephanus, my wife Renee, and our children Ryan and Stephanie. We decided on the Boeran as they are hardy animals who can look after themselves, and with their strong herding instincts are difficult to separate from each other, minimizing the possibility of theft. We farm extensively and found that the Boeran well suited for this harsh Karoo environment. Their resistance to tick-borne diseases was just another plus, as hard water is prevalent in our district. The other factor is that we needed a breed that will thrive in this mountain all year round. And that is the story of Sirs Boeran.